Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. So today I'll be showing you how to show some data from a Python program in a HTML page. So let me create a new Django project here. DJ5 and the app name is app5. Create. So the project is being created here. So now we'll be importing OS here. After importing OS, let me go to your urls.py and create a path. I'm just giving an empty path here, comma views dot show. Okay, now we'll import this views. Alt enter, import app. We'll create a show function, create function. Okay, so show function is already created here. Now I'll give some data, that is employee data. Employee equals to, as you all know about the dict format guys, dictionary format, I'm giving it the same way here. ID number 101, comma, I'm giving the name here, name Vijay, here Vijay in double quotes guys. Then salary, again salary in double quotes. $10,000. Okay, I have this particular data here. Now what I'll return is, I'll return render request, comma index.html, comma, I'll pass this again in dictionary here. I'll give emp is to employee. Okay, so index.html should come in double quotes here. Alt enter, create. So index.html is created here. Now I'll just take, as I've told you, I'll take the bootstrap template here. Get bootstrap.com documentation. I'll copy the starter template here. After I've pasted the starter template, I'll just remove this h1 tag here. I'll give show data employee show. Okay, in the body tag I'll give a h1 tag with employee show, employee details. Okay, now I'll give we'll have to fetch that particular data from views.py and show it here. So how will we do that? We'll write it as, I'll take a unordered list here, ul. In that I'll take a list element. In that list element I'm writing employee ID, emp dot ID number. Okay, So let me just show you by printing this particular thing first. You can see the employee ID has come here. In the same way, employee.your name and employee.salary here. Okay, if I just go there and refresh here, you'll find everything here. Okay guys, so let me center this. And you can find this here, the data of that particular employee there. Similarly, we can also add any number of employees here. So let's take this is employee 1. In the same way, I'll take employee 2 here, employee 3 here. So I'll just change this to 2 and employee 3 to 3 because Gautam. Okay, I'll change the salaries also to 25,000 and 30,000. So M1 dot employee 1, M1. In the same way, we'll change this to employee 2 and this also to 2 here, and with a comma employee 3 and this also 3. Now as we have 3 different employees there and EMP is no more available there, we'll have to change it to E1, M1 there. Again, I'll take this unordered list. I'll just copy paste this. I'll change this to 2, 2, 2. And again, we'll copy this. 3, 3, 3. Okay. So now when I go here and refresh, you'll find all the 3 different employees data that is available here. We can also fetch this data from a skill ID database or any other database and return it here as well. So hope you have understood guys. If you have understood, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. Thank you.